Hey everybody, this is just the very quickest update addendum to my Hoselink video that I posted the other day. I just want to let you know I am putting another Hoselink out here on the front of the house, back here behind these shrubs, and I am putting this one into the masonry wall. And this has been quite the effort to get those holes drilled into the masonry wall, but I wanted to show you what they look like. Okay, here we are. You can see there's the front porch over there, and this is the side of the house where the living room wall is, and then the corner, this is the sunroom. So we have this little space back here behind all of our foundation plantings, which I think is perfect to hide and kind of store the Hoselink here on this wall. And I have already put in the anchors into the holes, but it took me a very long time to drill these holes. I started this 2 days ago. I got one hole drilled 2 days ago, and yesterday I got two more drilled, and today I got the fourth one done. And the reason that it took me so long is, one, I don't have a hammer drill or an impact drill, and two, I was trying to use the same drill bit all the way through this project. I ended up today just going over and picking up another new drill bit, and when I got back and stuck it in there, man, it just went through there like hot knife through butter. It's something I need to learn about projects. I don't always do a good job of using the right tool for the right job. Sometimes I try to make do with what I have, and it just costs me much more time and energy. I mean, to do these two holes here with the old drill bit, it was taking so long, a lot of energy. I had to recharge the battery on the drill at least a dozen times, and I just wasn't making any progress on the fourth hole this morning. So after I got that new drill bit, man, it went so much faster. So that is a lesson. Go ahead and use the right tool for the right job, and things will go faster. So anyway, now it's time for me to use my socket and the screws that came with the Hoselink system to put the bracket on the wall, and then I'll be able to put in the new Hoselink out here in the front. So yeah, there's the bracket installed on the wall. And you can see my dust from my drilling. I'll wash that away. Now the water access is on the wall down there behind one of the shrubs. So I'm going to have to put a hose between the spigot and the Hoselink, because the Hoselink connector is only 6 feet long, and that's further than 6 feet away. So that's fine. I have a lot of hoses in my stash in the garage, and I could buy an extender from the Hoselink company for 6 feet. I can get another 6 feet, and that would cover this length. But I just don't feel like buying more hose when I know that I have a lot of hoses in my garage. They just happen to be way too long for what I need, but that's okay. I can just coil them up down here on the ground behind the shrubs. It won't matter. Or if I cared about it, I could cut one of the hoses to the right length and put a hose and connector on and connect it that way. So I'll probably just coil up a hose on the ground though between the spigot and the Hoselink. So it really doesn't matter. Well, I'm really happy now that we have the second Hoselink installed. You can see what I mean about having to move some shrubs. This azalea I had intended to move anyway, but it definitely needs to move. I'm probably going to put it over there and trim back this holly so that it doesn't get mangled every time we use this hose. But yeah, it's really exciting now to have this opportunity to have a really high quality hose system in the yard, and it's so much easier to manage than dragging the hoses around. I had a hose reel out here before, but it had several leaks both in the feeder hose and in the hose itself, and the reel was broken and you couldn't really use it very easily. So this is a definite upgrade, and one that is going to really change our ability to keep our plants happy out here in this hot afternoon sun. So thanks for joining us and catching this update on my Hoselink system. I had some comments and questions on the last Hoselink video. I bought these at www.hoselink.com, and they have a couple of different options there. So just go to that website and check them out and see if there's a Hoselink that would work for you. I'm really pleased with them. And again, I am not sponsored by them. I'm not an affiliate of theirs. I'm not getting any financial benefit to tell you how much I love these Hoselinks. I'm just a really big fan. So anyway, thanks so much for joining me today. I'm going to go do some digging and planting, and I will catch you in another video later. Have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.